Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and tonight's video is more about the F10 key. I just made a video on that this morning and how you can use the F10 key when using the artistic media tool. So we're going to go grab the artistic media tool, and your artistic media tool is underneath your freehand flyout normally. And we're going to grab the brush, and we're going to go up here and grab this new one I've just created with the date of 2018. And I'm going to try to draw a symmetrical sweeping line. And I actually did pretty good, but you can do a little bit better if you, let me zoom in here a little bit. If you will click on your item and then hit your F10 key, you get your shape tool. And then if you will click on the line, you can delete some of the nodes that are there that you put in there. And you can also grab the handles. See, like there's a node right there, we can delete that. We can delete that node. And you can do a lot better of creating a sweeping line when using the handles. So we'll take that node away. And you can see now there's only two nodes and it's more of a sweep that you could probably not do freehand. So this would work with any artistic media tool or brush that you could use. So when grabbing the shape tool, you can completely conform this to anything you want. That doesn't look too terribly good, but you see what I'm talking about. You can actually make it more sweeping than you could ever draw, or at least more than I could draw. So we're going to get it again, and we're going to grab the artistic media tool, and this time we're going to grab another brush, and let's say we're going to grab this one right here, and I'm going to try to do a sweep, and actually did pretty good. And I did this one in color, even though I'm a laser engraver. You would never use these colors, but when you just select, you can actually don't have to press the F10 key because it will go into the shape mode, and just delete some of those nodes. Click on that line and see if there's any nodes, and there's a node right there, so I can delete it, and then I can grab this and get a handle and see what it looks like. There's evidently a node right there, so we'll grab this, and now you've got a handle. There's a node there, so now you can click on the end and you only have two nodes, so you could do a lot better job of sweeping or having a sweeping effect than you could ever do on your own, or at least better than I could do. So when you just have two nodes, you can do a little bit better. And as always, you can go back and then make this a little thicker with your brush tool. Let's make it 5 this time. And that's probably a lot better example how you could, and see if you can't really click on your line, but if you hit the F10 key, you get the shape tool, and then you need to find that center line. There it is right there. And we know we just have two nodes, so you could do whatever you want with it. That's a pretty cool effect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.